If your WordPress site is loading slower than a turtle in molasses, don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to improve website speed WordPress for free. No coding, no paid plugins, just smart tweaks and work. First up, caching. It's like giving your site a memory boost, so head to your dashboard and then click on this plugins tab at the left side of your screen. Use the search button and search for Lightspeed Cache or WP Super Cache. So these tools will allow you to save your cache into a different platform, which will allow it to make the processes faster. So go ahead and search for that tool. Next, let's tackle those heavy images. So use a free plugin like Smash or EU Image Optimizer to compress your media files without losing quality. Smaller images equals faster load times. So you can use the search bar on the plugin section to search for Smash or EU Image Optimizer. Now, lazy loading delays images until they're actually needed. Most caching plugins have this built in, or you can use Lazy Load by WP Rocket. It's a simple switch that makes a big difference. Want proof your site's faster? Head to GT Metrics or Page Speed Insights. Plug in your URL and check your score before and after. You'll be amazed. And that's it. That's how you can simply improve your website speed on WordPress. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more web tips, and drop your site link below.